Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about OpenZeppelin Wizard. If you have ever worked with tokens on Ethereum, you probably know what OpenZeppelin is. In case you don't, OpenZeppelin provides production-ready smart contracts library which you can simply inherit and modify for your own use case. This is already pretty easy, but they've made it better. A while back, they introduced OpenZeppelin Wizard. Link for it will be in the description. Using this tool, you can bootstrap your contracts. You have the option for 3 token standards. ERC20, that is the fungible token standard like cryptocurrencies, where all coins have equal value. ERC721 is for NFTs, and ERC1155 started as gaming standard, where you would have both ERC721 and ERC20 functionalities in the same contract. If you want to know more about token standards, consider subscribing to the channel. We'll soon be doing more videos explaining all of this. Let's start with ERC20. Here you can enter the name and symbol of your token and pre-mint any amount of tokens. This will be your initial supply. You can also hover over these question marks to know more about that particular column. Then you have all these features and access control you can add. Similarly, we can choose ERC721. Here, instead of pre-mint, you have base URI. In here, you put in the base URL for your metadata. So say, if you are storing your NFT metadata on IPFS, you'll add the whole IPFS base URL here and append it with CID later. Again, you have all these features and you can get to know more about them by hovering over these question marks. Now you can copy this script and paste it in your Solidity file or download. They have already given these instructions for deploying on Hardhat and Truffle, so you can check that out as well. Now let's move it to Remix. If you're not familiar with Remix ID, we already have a video on it, so you can check that out. Card should be on the top right of your screen. Here you can further customize your contract. You can test it out on JavaScript VM or connect to your MetaMask wallet and use injected Web3. Let's quickly connect to Ropsten network and deploy. With that, we have our ERC721 contract deployed. That would be it for this video, but there's more for you to watch. Check out this video on Blockchain Developer Roadmap or this video on how you can earn crypto from Gitcoin. And we'll see you next time.